Hi guys, today I want to do wiring for single. Okay, this is the equipment in DB, and this is my electrical bed. Okay. Today I want to do this kind of wiring. Okay. Okay. Later I continue my wiring works. Okay. I'll continue later on. This is my DB. This is my new bed. Change here better. Okay. Okay, I continue my lighting socket. Continue. Finish. Okay, now continue to power socket. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, my connection is finished. So now I want to do the wiring. Install the wiring. Okay, this is my bed. This is my bed. Okay. So now continue my wiring. Power and lighting socket is complete. Continue my lighting. Sorry guys, this is the complete one. Okay. Later I will continue my installation. Okay. Then stay tuned, yeah. Okay. Okay guys, my lighting wiring is done. Okay. Now I'm doing the power lighting. Okay. Stay tuned, power lighting on the way. Okay guys, my wiring is completed. So now I want the fitting already. Okay. The wiring is done. So later I will fitting, then testing. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Later, stay tuned. Okay, guys. I already settled my testing already. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Done. This one need to install it later. Okay. Later we'll have a try. Okay. This work. Okay guys, this is my complete circuit. Everything supply is on already. All lighting okay.
Tidak ada, saya punya tuh tidak ada. Pakai ini saja nak.
Testing. Okay lah.
Saya ambil gambar dulu.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you.